See, but the youth are actually 16, that's what DJ said. The youth are bad. Come here again for start one of the biggest one in the dancehall, because everybody come and afraid. But the youth are brave.
A few moments later.
Pull up. One sicker.
2,000 years later.
Balance. Suck your mother. So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
Oh my God.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People who are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things say, man. People. You don't know who are going to Dancehall. So people, pre this. You don't feel like say MASICKA and the cartel thing legit. Read between the lines. Me say everything has stemmed from a long time. From me say him a promote the link up with the rum, calling up on stage. All of them something there. You understand? Me say all of that. You see it. You have to read between the lines, people. The cartel versus MASICKA thing, a joke thing. And to me, it's not real. You have to read between the lines, and I can pre this. Seeing? Pre this. So after a sudden, MASICKA threw away the infrared song with him and VYBZ K. After a sudden, remember, before that, he might perform the song. After a sudden, out of the blue, you have to pre, everything was planned. You understand? But people, look on the picture where I post. One big family. You have to understand, say, look here, MASICKA have a respect for TG especially. You understand? And you have to pre-say, bro, there is nothing, no war thing, like, tell me what's them the war between MASICKA and Cartel. Like, what them really have. Because me feel like, say, the CM Joshy thing and everything was planned. Joshy come out back, apologize and big up Cartel. It's all a sham for putting MASICKA up the car. Look here, Cartel soon drop the ball. You understand? Him soon gone at the elder things. Him like Bounty and Beanie thing. You understand? Remember, them get out Beanie man, Seeing, give him the crown, everything. Is what I try to say. Remember, Bounty a push MASICKA and Cartel a push MASICKA. Remember, say Bounty make everything what go on now, make them even exist. You understand? So that little war thing and this, it just not make no sense. The vlogger them, the girls that vlogger them or whatsoever push this and that, them only just do this for just prep up MASICKA thing. You understand? There is no way nothing real will happen. It just nah make no sense, brother. Nothing nah connect this up. Nothing did it, bro. The little Nuffy thing and Joshy thing and the Mad Sus thing, bro, that was all just a bluff. You have to realize and read between the lines, bro. Remember how media, social media work, You understand? It work in a way where, bro, once something said and it showed a picture there, them are just run with it. While the two artists them silent. Is what I try to say? The two artists them silent, Them nah say nothing. MASICKA drop one song about 5 minutes out of Bama or something. 5 minutes of the song. And now people say, yo, this a person, this a person. Would even make no sense. Nothing in a song will show no clue, bro. Like that. The people them say, yo, who them say them boss and rare, bro. That I just one little show thing for him get. Cause look here, them want to say, yo, him a run dancehall, rare, this, that. Bro, see him like how when Alkaline drop Key Man and them a talk about it and every little thing, bro. Cause me feel like say, yo, Cartel just want to stir up something, say, yo, alright, me make me a MASICKA do something, Yeah, man, me make me a MASICKA do something. And try to black out some man thing. You understand? Because the two arts, Cartel silent, him not really say nothing. We know how Cartel them work. Imagine them man sit down right here so. And just a plan out everything. Remember say I see him suit. We Cartel wear go the breakfast club thing. I eat him lend MASICKA. Cause if you realize MASICKA no wear big clothes. I tell you people, MASICKA no wear big clothes. If you look on that clothes, I know a Cartel. This a God bust my head. If I no Cartel give him the suit, when we go to breakfast, you have to read between the lines, people. Them man are the same hotel, one big link up and everything. Man him call and the man pan show. Remember Cartel come out and say, yo, that youth were bad from 2016, very this, that. Yo, it look like look like me and him have to go war. We have to read between the lines. Me I study everything, you know, can't remember, you know. Remember say Cartel I try help MASICKA, you know, and the only way I try help him, I try bring up a little few thing and every little thing. It all start from Sunfest, brother. It all start from Sunfest. You understand? So all of this a little shot, bro. Nothing of this, brother. Imagine Cartel go war with MASICKA, bro. What's there? Nothing of this, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the Gaza people them give MASICKA strength. You see, because with the see right now, bro, just a facade, bro. We see what I try to. We see say them a try push up the MASICKA thing. Cause him have an album forward. You understand? Him have an album where I go forward now, so them a realize say, yo, alright. Them now go. Them have to do something for like kind of boots up the album. Trust me, people. You're not gonna see what them a run with this until when album for release. Them a go drop song, them a go say, yo, I hit that. Every song when drop. All before them listen. Once it drop, you hear them a say, yo, I hit that. That's why them a talk about every hit card album a forward. But look here now. Yeah, MASICKA drop some quality album. But to me not see true potential in the album them. Because remember my drop song and them a say, yo, it sound the same. But them a say, yo, so him album no really sound the same. Because look here, brother. Him have a lot of features on it. So the people them a forward and collab with him with different sounds that now go bring off say, yo, the same thing, but make him do a solo album and see what happen. You understand? So the little Mad Sus thing forward out, and to me it just some gimmicks thing, brother. Like, come on. Mad Sus forward out this. See in railway. MASICKA forward out with statement only at this Nuffy. See him say nothing about Mad Sus, you know. And then we after now in a video, him and I say, yo, Mad Sus are crooked, and it just nah make no sense, bro. MASICKA come out and I say, yo, nothing no go on and this never go on. Bro, that was all just some fake thing, bro. That nah make no sense. You understand? Remember, you know, say enough forward out, you know, and make statement, say, yo, the next artist we are going come around the thing and MASICKA. We have to read between the lines, people. You understand? They have to try to make MASICKA thing look good, because they have to try to get out Alka thing. And remember from Cartel forward from prison, you know, I be a Alka Cartel, you know. So you know if they want to change it now, say, yo, MASICKA and Cartel. But look at now. See? It not gonna work because look here, it's just a prep up thing I go on. Because if war if you go on, would I not see that, brother? I just be you can't do a 5 minute song and bro, nothing a nice song, bro. You man do 5 minutes and nothing, bro. Nothing not dead. You understand? Who am I war? Who am I do all of them something for? You see what I try to say? It just not make no sense. You see, the same man when man a call up on stage and everything, that not make no sense. MASICKA rate TJ so much. You don't know TJ, so-called VYBZ K RTEL manager. MASICKA and TJ, so you understand? Them man they are link up for far from far. Remember say at CMTJ make MASICKA and Cartel do a collab, you know. CMTJ. You understand? So I have to read between the lines. Bro, him and Cartel not have nothing. It's just that maybe true them not seeing a video again with him and Cartel. But look here, MASICKA have him show them a lead in business. Cartel have him show them a lead in business. But look here, the man them behind closed door or whatsoever. The man them a call each other and a yell up and all of them. So I have to read between the lines of people. Remember, you know, Cartel is that type of man, you know. Him know for forward with epic things or make people run with. You understand? MASICKA try to do that now. You see it, they might try to do the social media thing and throw shades and all of them look at something there for keep the momentum there. Because at the end of the day, they want to keep out a one man name, but them can't keep out the alkaline name. You understand? Them can't keep out alkaline name. You see it. Because remember when alkaline drop a key, man, to mash up a place, man, say, yo, man, this bounty, this Cartel and Ray, and to mash up a place. Them not like that. You understand? Them not like that. So if you realize now, as MASICKA drop it out of me, hear them switch it to, yo, a Cartel him this, a Cartel him this. Because they want to change the narrative with the alkaline thing. But at the end of the day, bro, alkaline been doing this from 2013. From 2013, not 2025, the youth name still a call. More than enough of them artists. The same artists want to say fall off. Him name still a call, and the artists them really fall off. Them not talk about them. You understand? But the little MASICKA versus Cartel thing, bro, it just not going away, brother. It not going away, dog. We know what things said, bro. Yeah, you see when war and man vex, you have to see it in the music, the real way. You understand? Yeah, if a man in a war and man in a deal, you have to see it, brother. You are gonna see that. You see, from me see MASICKA forward out and address that little statement there, I say, bro, come on, bro. You can't fool nobody. You can't fool nobody, bro. This was all a plan. All a plan, bro. There is no way, brother. MASICKA big man, turn on camera, yo, Cartel and Ray and this and that, Joshy was doing thing. And then when you look, Joshy him come out and see him Joshy. Where him and Cartel link up and attack. So Joshy just walk out of the blue and just start about crown and all of them look something there, so. Bro, you have to read between the lines. Everything has stem, plan up what you say, what you do, bro. You see it? Cause at the end of the day, if Joshy never fall and talk about no crown, nothing wouldn't do there within MASICKA about man have pillow talk and all of them look something there. You see it? But the little Cartel thing and MASICKA, there's some jerry thing, bro. Me enough, bro. TG, bro, remember you know, TG and MASICKA so, bro. Me know TG. Nah, go on MASICKA rate TG. Them nah go make. Bro, first of all, brother, that suit they were Cartel give MASICKA, bro, that alone Cartel could have used and kill him. You understand? That I think a Louis Vuitton suit with what them call it, what they call them, plaid, with the poke of that suit, jacket and pants. Bro, come on, brother. When you see that pants, brother, you know say you want a MASICKA pants that. You understand? The pants big. And a MASICKA pants that, brother. You see it? So in a dancehall right now, the thing I do some like a joke thing, people. It nah make no sense. I'm gonna forward with something different, dog. Forward with something different. It's like, yo, when something really a go on, when energy, when war, you can't feel it. Bro, nothing did it. A man can't do a 5 minute song for war. You understand? Nothing did it. And some joke thing I go on in the dancehall right now. You see me? Bro, I'm gonna tell you this. MASICKA not war nobody, bro. MASICKA not war. I tell people, say, brother, if a MASICKA not look for, bro, MASICKA cannot counteract nobody. That's a one thing, bro. You understand? Him can't diss nobody. Bro, you have to understand, you know. He may throw some lyrics, but no counteract. You see, like how Cartel will step out with Movado and Beanie will step out Ray. You understand? With Bounty Killer and thing. And Alkaline will step out with Popcorn them and Six them. You understand? Yeah. So, we must 3 levels, bro. Where MASICKA go forward in our war, lyrical clash, either with Alkaline or Cartel, where am I gonna say? Like, be honest. Bro, I tell you, I would never say a war with something there. What you call it? With Cartel and MASICKA, brother. Nothing there, so. You understand? Nothing there. You see it? Nothing there. Yeah, man. So, I'm gonna tell you, right now, there's some joke thing I go on in the dancehall right now. Everybody just, I don't know. And them don't realize it, bro. I don't realize it, bro. Sometimes dancehall needs some excitement, brother. I have to understand, say, bro, dancehall is not like the rest of the genre, bro. We build with clash. We do clash now and then, brother. You understand? Right now, everybody can talk about Bounty and Beanie. Everybody can talk about Cartel and Movado, you understand? Yes, people, so a joke thing really I go on, me I tell you. Some joke thing I go on with MASICKA thing, like, yo, let me tell you, dancehall need clash at times, and every time you have clash, but you have to reach different generation where, yo, the 2 top man them, when the binner get talked about, they have to go at it and know say, yo, leverage. You understand? But I don't know, it's like people just have MASICKA as coward. You see me, like, if you see in the last video him drop, Zane, the man, him going to Garrison. Now I like a bad man place and I play with the kids and bro, that's some joke thing that. You understand? Because we need some clash in our dancehall right now. Them say a man forward for same dancehall, but it just wait, did it? Right now the people them want clash in a dancehall right now and it's like the man them lame, like nobody no want do no clashing. Because this is the thing. Them keep on to say, yo, bigger picture, but no, we can't see picture in the frame. You see it? We can't see the picture in the frame, people. We tired of hear about this bigger picture. Come on, brother. Remember, say, bro, a dancehall different from different genres. We know as dancehall, that's why in a dancehall you get verses, clash. Remember, say, dancehall bill off of them thing there, brother. If I never for clash, I would not talk about Beanie and Bounty, and Cartel and Movado thing, At that, popel and make the man get respect in a dancehall for what them doing, brother. You understand? So, I don't know. The man them start pretty bigger picture, but when I check it, the man them things still now left airport, brother. They won't much time them go say MASICKA pretty bigger picture. And no, we can't get one little crossover song, one collab. We see where the label of Efficiency and Skilly Bang want to him. Everything else, Jamaica does. Jamaica, the man career there alone. And when him got foreign to perform, you know, did they? You understand? But we see what them a try do. We see say them them just a try prep up MASICKA thing, him album a forward. Yeah, you don't know. But people just feel like say the thing with him and Cartel, enough real people, it just fake. From your seat. Cause for your man just get up, the same man with the have him on stage. Where there, I'm sure him and him not free. Come on, bro. Like, we see what I try do, brother. When I love the media, you know. Remember say Cartel love him in media and the controversy, you know. So look at now, he will make the media run with things. You understand why them stay silent? Because look at we now know when them man at the phone and talk and laugh off the people them in the media talk one bag of thing. The man them stay silent and keep themselves current in the thing. You understand? And then when them drop them song or them people say, yo, this a man him this. When them not really this nobody. You understand? So we see what Alkaline do. Real up the place. Alkaline make everybody want war. Be this song a drop and all of them look something there. You understand? That's how we rate with Alkaline. Him state him words, him make them know say yo. Nobody feels a soft soap thing. You understand? And then look minions them run out and get flap, you understand? Like 10 tick them and you know some little and you see where Devin run up and but the thing is that you know the clash culture thing, bro, is like when you check it, if you realize the clash culture thing, it kinda dead because me I show you why. Sometimes them clasher is like a two bridging them. Like Bounty and Beanie, Zine. Them know each other secret because two of them they share woman and one bag of thing. You see what I try to say? Them usually know a year same with Cartel and move out to them a fought for alliance. Them know each other. Them usually say Cartel rights and come move out. Them they run the alliance and see what go on with each other. Them know each other secret. So it more intense, more, you see me? More interesting when them and they drop song off of each other. You understand? Yeah, but if you say with MASICKA now, what did they with MASICKA? Nothing no did they. You understand? MASICKA not a secret for Alkaline. Alkaline no really. MASICKA no really have nothing for really. That's why I say him no really clash, but Alkaline ready anytime. You know that too. Remember say when the 6 them dead in Alkaline were about the 6, you know. There is no more 6 after that, you know. You forgot? Remember say 6 around the place one at a time till them son ticks. You understand? Nothing no dead again. Daddy one gone, Chronic Law gone. Right now, me and guy there in a prison right in a jail right now. You understand? So nothing really did the Popcorn right now. Popcorn thing, we don't know with the film career. A big artist still, but we don't know that there right now, you understand? But I tell the people the clash thing kinda dead out, you know, I tell you. Dead out right now, but people I don't know, the local Cartel and MASICKA thing and where they might try prop up. It not gonna work, brother. We don't say MASICKA and Cartel thing good, brother. You understand? Because I get all the intel and bro, the man them just try push MASICKA thing that Cartel them try make. Remember a man forward on stage and say, yo, you must go war MASICKA away and bad. I read between the lines, bro. You understand? Because I see a man in a picture of me I show now. I see a man them sit down and talk and a whole of vibes, bro. You understand? The man them just you notice? The man them just dead there and I do them thing now watch. I know say, I remember this, bro. TJ now go there and make MASICKA them in and where man them have? To be honest, where man them really have, brother? Cartel and MASICKA have nothing. The man them now, the man them they pan party, the man them they do the big show. You know what? I think New Jersey. I think, and then after that, the man then go perform an after party. So, bro, it's all a little joke. But it seems, bro, when something fake it not work, you understand? It might fool a lot of people. And you know the media run with anything, bro. When MASICKA, can you for pre this? Infrared for drop with you. When MASICKA performed on the show at St. Elizabeth. And the song I play. And the man said dash. Bro, come on. That don't even make no sense, brother. You know that is a planting, brother. A few days ago when last show you do. You sing infrared, and then now you know make no sense, brother. You understand? Or some joke thing, a MASICKA code already, brother. You understand? Him even make a dancehall thing lame. But wait till the label drop him and see what go on. Yeah, I say him run the place, but I don't know, bro. You understand? I don't know what I mean by run place. Yeah, they might talk about him, yes, because he's a coward. And him not run up on nobody and certain thing, but bro, dancehall with the clash culture thing, bro. You just lame, dog. Get lame right now. You understand? Everybody weak, nobody not brave up nothing. You understand? But people don't know in a media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.